kids, and today we're gonna be opening medieval castle playset. We have 2 of them just to make it way bigger, and to make it even more fun. Can you move these 2 blocks out of the way? We have mega blocks, but my sister has a small one, the teensy tiny one. Well, I have the jumbo one. I always have jumbo stuff. Look at her crying. Okay, let's stop. Let's start the video. Okay, so we're just gonna be that opens the thing. I don't know how to do this. Okay, this is filling up the table. Since that's happening, what are you doing? You are killing everyone. Abandon! Sophia's a traitor! Boom, 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 boom,
Wait,
boom,
do I
boom.
put this? I can put this here, right?
Sophia, you should just be looking at the whole thing.
I don't care.
Excuse me, why did you say that to your brother?
I'm not your brother.
Oh my gosh. What fell? What fell? What fell?
I said brother, not your brother. How can I
My little sister. Okay, I do not get.
I'm your friend.
No.
Why do you do this?
To make.
I thought I know what to do.
Oh, that's so cool! Yay! Yay! Waba!
Yeah.
Waba! Fit. Okay.
Yay.
Here is my army. My army is a really good army. I have
Did you see that my magical hand helped me?
no. I got jokes.
Magical hand again.
Why do you need so much of the magical hand?
It's hard.
How is that hard? Well, yeah, you are little, so.
Hey, I'm not little. I'm 8.
Like I said in the other video. She's turning 7 and I'm turning 9.
Have a good battle royale.
Hey!
Don't mess up with him. It's okay. Leave me alone. You can. Ow. I thought that did not count. I'm doing something. So we're gonna do something.
Well, sorry, I have my ladder so I can climb up your tower.
No, you're not allowed to. Then I'm allowed to climb up your tower.
Just kidding. This is a prank.
So you know, do not break it.
My sword. Can't defeat my sword. Thank you, Mother.
Here, why? What?
I can't get open? Okay.
Get it. Go. Okay. How did that here?
You have to put your castle straight. One more defender, right?
We have another combo. Let's come back. Okay.
Guess what? You're so
I'll give you
chore.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Green has served his.
When you cannibal something, you have to make one of your opponent die if you cannibal. Okay? That's the rule.
But you can break the cannibal. I'm just kidding. So we're gonna do the battle royale. And 3, 2, 1, go! You can't go in my building. You're not allowed to do that. Redo. 3, 2, 1, fight! Hey. Ow! Yes, sir. Dang!
I'm dead.
top of it. Oh my gosh, this is hard. You can't go closer. Dang it. You didn't hit, no, you didn't do that. Oh, go in. You're gonna.
I need my ball.
It isn't open. Here's your ladder. Yes, sir. Everyone come out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm not going.
Dang.
Hey, that did not. No.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
that did
sir.
not count. You're not gonna do that.
Yes. Yes, we can. Yes, sir.
So why did you tell me? Why didn't
yes.
you tell me before?
Oh.
Where's
Yeah.
my ball? It did not count because I'm trying to find something.
Okay, come inside. I'm ready to battle royale.
Where's that ball?
So we'll end the video right now. But on a scale to 1 to 5, how much do you like it?
1.
This
I
is
like it a 1 because we just have to like. It's fun, but like I like it. But it's like this battle royale is like
you don't need to do that.
getting boring. Like
It isn't because of that. How is the toy, not only the game we're doing?
it's doing good.
Why are you so close? Oh my god. So we'll end the video right now. This is a 5 because it's really cool. Battle Royales are actually pretty cool. I broke your ladder.
No, you didn't.
Okay, so if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button and we'll see you later. Bye.